Shut up!
Hey, we're here at Subiefest 2009.
I'm gonna be riding in an insane drift car. Should be pretty fun.
And he's scared as hell. Just look at his face.
Dude, I'm not scared.
I think I know you pretty well and you're gonna scream like a girl the whole time.
No, dude, I'll be fine.
I imposed a few rules for Ian since he thinks this ride's gonna be a cakewalk. He has to keep his arms folded at all times, there's no screaming, no saying oh my god, or I wanna go home, no babbling nonsense, no making a stupid face, and he also can't pee his pants. For every rule he doesn't break, I'll give him $5. He's pretty confident he'll walk away at least $50 richer, but we'll see about that. How was it?
Is this real life?
Well, you didn't break one of the rules, so...
What rule?
You didn't piss your pants, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Go to Smosh.com to watch Ian fail at putting a seatbelt on, putting a helmet on, and getting out of the car. How long will it take him to do these easy tasks?